The Cotswolds, often referred to as the heart of England, is a region that captivates visitors with its timeless beauty, picturesque landscapes, and charming villages. Located in south-central England, this designated area of outstanding natural beauty (AONB) spans over 2,000 square kilometers, making it a sprawling haven for travelers seeking a quintessential English countryside experience. One of the most alluring aspects of the Cotswolds is its collection of enchanting villages, each with its unique character and architectural charm. Stroll through the cobbled streets of Bibury, renowned for its iconic Arlington Row cottages, or explore the historic market town of Stow-on-the-Wold, boasting a market square surrounded by antique shops and tea rooms. Castlecombe, often dubbed the prettiest village in England, enchants with its medieval streets and honey-colored cottages, while Bourton-on-the-Water offers the charm of the River Windrush flowing through its center. The Cotswolds is also home to numerous historic landmarks, including the magnificent Blenheim Palace, birthplace of Sir Winston Churchill, and Sudeley Castle, which boasts a rich history and stunning gardens. History enthusiasts can explore the Roman heritage at Cirencester or visit the impressive ruins of Hyley's Abbey. Broadway Tower, a striking folly atop Broadway Hill, offers panoramic views of the region's rolling hills and serves as an excellent starting point for hiking and exploration. Outdoor enthusiasts will find themselves spoiled for choice in the Cotswolds. The region's rolling hills provide the perfect backdrop for walking, cycling, and horse riding. The Cotswold Way, a long-distance footpath, winds its way through the area, offering a unique opportunity to traverse the stunning landscapes while taking in the fresh country air. Nature lovers can explore the Cotswold Wildlife Park and Gardens or embark on a birdwatching adventure in the wetlands of Slimbridge Wildfowl and Wetlands Trust. The Cotswolds is also renowned for its culinary delights. Visitors can savor traditional British fare in charming tea rooms and pubs scattered throughout the villages. Don't miss the chance to sample local delicacies, such as the Gloucestershire Old Spot pork and double Gloucester cheese. Additionally, the region is home to several vineyards and breweries, allowing you to indulge in some excellent local wines and alesh. Shopping enthusiasts will find delight in the Cotswolds market towns and independent boutiques, offering everything from antiques and crafts to fashion and homeware. The town of Chippingcampden is renowned for its arts and crafts heritage, while Burford is a treasure trove for antique collectors. In conclusion, the Cotswolds presents an enchanting blend of natural beauty, rich history, and cultural heritage. Whether you're exploring its charming villages, immersing yourself in history, enjoying outdoor activities, or savoring local cuisine, this timeless region promises an unforgettable and quintessentially English experience that will leave you with lasting memories of its idyllic landscapes and warm hospitality. The Cotswolds truly stands as a gem in the crown of English tourism, beckoning travelers from around the world to discover its enduring charm.